as administrator, so just right click on your Apex Legends desktop shortcut or in your Windows search and then click on Run as administrator. That's the first thing I would always suggest you. And then the next thing, for the next thing you need to close everything related to Apex, so just make sure that I can also use the task manager. Doing so, click on more details and then make sure to close everything that is related to Apex Legends, so your Steam, your Origin, and so on. And when you have done it, we can close the task manager again, and then click hit Windows button plus R on our keyboard, and then first of all type in %appdata%, and then just click on Enter. And then in here we can just select anything and then just type in Origin to find the folder called Origin, and then just select it and delete it. Perfect. Already applied, and then we can close this again and again hit on Windows button plus R, and now I'll type in program data %, and again hit on Enter, and then the same thing, just search for an Origin folder and just delete it and click on Continue, and that's already it. Then we can just close this window again. And the last thing I would always suggest you use to right click on your Apex Legends desktop shortcut, click on Show, or no, click on Properties, and then switch over to Compatibility tab. And here, make sure to try running this program in compatibility mode 4. Check this setting here, and Windows 8 is perfectly fine. And down here in the settings, I would always suggest you to disable your full screen optimizations. And what also makes sense is to run this program as an administrator every time you launch it, and then just click on Apply and click on OK, and that's already it. That's how you can fix the issue if your Apex Legends is not launching. I really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll write you back as soon as possible, and then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.